Location 30 is the chemistry building. Location 31 is the science building 2. Location 32 is the science building 1. Building 33 is the Chang Chi-yu Memorial Library. Location 34 is the Holistic Education Village. It has the Art Center and the School of Law. Location 35 is the Student Activity Center. It has the post office, McDonald's, Crave or Creve Cafe, and the Cafe of My Irog, Armenia. Location 36 is the Bioscience Technology Building. 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10